Not smiling in the hood box. Boys, you're not smiling in the hood box. Oh yeah, see you later, fam, innit? See y'all later, bro.
Hold on, boy. If you wrong, come on. I'm not young. No, boy.
How you doing, bro?
I'm fine.
Yeah, my phone fell. I had to check it in.
Okay, your phone.
Yeah.
Where my money?
Money? What are you talking about?
I bet you got that. I say, where my money? Okay, where my money, Joe?
Wait. Was it Naira or in pounds?
Where my 5,000?
No, yeah, I'll see you later, bro. I'm catching out in pounds right now. You know what? Listen, yeah, I was coming to your house just now. I said I'm gonna give Shaggy his money, yeah? Guess who called me?
Who called you?
Davido.
Davido?
Yeah? You know, he was on the phone. Hey, the boy, are you gonna come out to the club tonight? You know, we got pop bottles with you, G. I'm like, no, bro. I gotta see Shaggy, you know what I mean? And guess what? I was walking again. Guess who called me?
Who called you?
The Prince.
The Prince?
Yeah.
See about one list.
No, not Prince of Maven, Prince of Harry. Yeah, the UK. We married Meghan just now.
Okay,
so he's like, just talking some things. Say, yo, London boy, why don't you come back? I said, listen, I can't have time for this. I need to see Shaggy in it. So listen, bro, I'm gonna get your money.
Hey, you know who called me too now?
Who called you?
Anthony Joshua. I'm not that.